channel. I've been having some really bad acne problems, as you can see. So Haley has a great face scrub that we're going to do today. It's a DIY face scrub, and we have all of the ingredients to get started. And this one will be an acne fighting one, so I have some targeted ingredients to mix together. We are going to mix together, so we're going to see how it comes out and test it out as well. So sit back and join us. All of the ingredients and all of the instructions will be linked in the description below, so you can do it for yourself. To get started, you'll need a bowl and a mixing stick or tool, like so. You can hold the bowl as I read the instructions. This is different instructions, but we got our own ingredients to do our own acne fighting scrub today. We are going to combine some Dr. Teal's Epsom Salt, and it has activated charcoal, so that's great for declogging pores and refining skin and clearing out any toxins. So activated charcoal is where it's at for skin targeted cleansing. We're going to add some of that, and it's black Hawaiian lava salt, so fancy. We are going to put in a desired amount, so not too much, and it smells really clean and refreshing.
I know, I love the smell. Let me smell it. Mom,
That's
you're,
nice.
Mom, you're
That's
so
really
lucky.
nice. And I'm going to pour in a desired amount, like so. That should be good.
You smell so good.
I would say maybe 1 cup or 2 cups for measuring. We're going to use some sea salt that I got. It's from the Mediterranean, supposedly. And we're going to pour that in as well. A desired amount, of course. You can see and feel the crystals. Basically eyeballing it. I believe like 1 cup as well, if you want to be all exact measurements. Haley's going to take the stirring stick and combine all of it, mixing well. We add our oil, and this one is a foaming bath coconut oil from the same brand, Dr. Teal's. They have amazing smelling products so far. Like, this one smells amazing as well. It smells like lavender, even though it's a coconut scented oil, and it's supposed to nourish and protect your skin. And it's actually going to make the application a little bit more smoother because it's going to be a foaming sort of effect instead of like a really dry ingredient, harsh application. We're going to take 15 milliliters of the oil.
Oh, remember, you guys pour some into this. Oh my gosh, that's so thick.
Yes. Make sure that it's even and it's 10.
Where did I? Okay.
Pour it in. And then I'm going to pour in the rest of the 5 milliliters. Ooh, a little bit over, but it's okay. I'm going to dump that in as well. We're going to combine that. And if it's really dry still, you can add a little bit more oil as you go to give the desired texture that you want to have. So far,
It
so
smells
good.
so good.
Very spa-like, which is very key. You want to have great ingredients, but you also want to feel good as well. I feel good. So, I lost my cat. Oh, I found my cat. You want to have a nice, even texture like this. Nice and kind of a little bit wet, but still have enough moisture.
Ours looks so better than that picture.
You can even add some color if you want to. You can make your own variety. I'm giving you like the basic, simple instruction, but you can add some color. You can add some rose petals, some sort of flower petals. You can add your own essential oils to make it have a better and more targeted skincare regimen. The sky's the limit with this. You can really freeform and do your own thing. Yes.
I really
Tupper.
Yes.
The oil that Haley has, it's from Shea Moisture, and it's a tea tree scented targeted oil. It's 100% pure, and it's cruelty free and everything. It's very woodsy and like green scented, very tea tree-esque. You know, if you like that
tea tree smell.
Yes. A little known fact is that tea tree is great for fighting breakouts and acne prone skin. It helps treat it and target your, it gives you a better targeted skincare regimen when you put in targeted essential oils, and that's 1 drop. You want to put in about 2 to 3 drops and stir it into the mixture. I think that was 4.
I know.
And you want to stir that in. It might diminish some of the scent from what you've added in previously, but it'll be okay. Make sure that's all blended nice and well together. Super nice. And this will add some hydration as well because of the coconut oil.
Does it smell good?
Yes.
Really? Let me smell.
It smells like the tea tree and the other ingredients, but mostly tea tree now. You can put your stirring stick to the side once you're done and finish stirring. Ooh, it does have a strong scent, but it's okay. We are set and ready to try out our fantastic scrub right here. I know she doesn't have acne, but we're going to test it out anyway. And I know my headband is kind of like garbage, but it needs to be cleaned, but I'll get to that eventually. I have our handy dandy spatula, and we cleaned our hands and everything, so we're going to dip into here. It's kind of like sludge, so I'm going to give you just a little bit here to put on your face. I'm going to put it in your hand. There you go, you can rub it wherever. I'm going to take some and rub it as well. Ooh, fancy.
I'll put it on my chin.
Okay.
I'll put it on my forehead.
A little bit will go a long way. Once you're done, you can clean it off. We're back, and we've cleaned off all of the scrub, and look, our faces are glowing. I feel like my face is glowing. And it's like night and day how my skin transformed from being like really dry and dehydrated to hydrated and lively and actually exfoliated, and it feels really nice, like porcelain. I love it. So I think Haley has a really big hit on her hands now with this face scrub. I love it so much, and it's all mine. I'm going to use it all the time. I love it so much. And as I mentioned before, all of the ingredients and all of the instructions will be written down below. Thank you so much for watching our DIY face scrub video. If you liked the video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for more videos, and don't forget to press the notification bell. And you'll be notified when I post new videos, which is every Wednesday and Saturday, so be on the lookout for those uploads. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye, Bye everyone.
I feel good. I knew that I wouldn't. I feel